Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku on your Samsung mobile. First, locate the Sudoku application on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. Once found, tap on the icon to launch the game. You will then be presented with various difficulty settings, such as easy, medium, hard, or expert. Choose the level that best suits your skill, and a new puzzle grid will appear, ready for you to start playing. The Sudoku puzzle consists of a large 9x9 grid, which is further subdivided into 9 smaller 3x3 boxes. Your objective is to fill every empty cell with a digit from 1 to 9. The fundamental rule is that each number must appear exactly once in each row, each column, and each of the 9 3x3 subgrids. This core principle guides all your moves as you solve the puzzle. To effectively solve Sudoku, begin by identifying cells where only one number can logically fit. These are often called naked singles. For more complex cells, use the pencil mark feature to jot down all possible candidate numbers. As you fill in more digits, eliminate those candidates from surrounding cells. This systematic approach, combined with looking for hidden singles where a number can only go in one specific cell within a row, column, or block, will help you progress. As you become more proficient, try to solve puzzles without relying on hints, which are often available in the app. Regular practice is key to developing your strategic thinking and pattern recognition. Don't be afraid to experiment with different difficulty levels to challenge yourself. Ultimately, Sudoku is a fantastic mental workout, offering a rewarding sense of accomplishment with every completed grid. Enjoy the process of sharpening your mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.